Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the projection of a vector onto another vector. Here the v vector is given as 5 minus 1 comma 6 and the w vector is 2 1 comma minus 4. So both vector are given and we have to find the projection of v vector onto w vector. So basically it is not given whether we want to find the scalar projection or vector projection. So we will find both here. So to find the scalar projection of v onto w, so it is simply the magnitude. So if we will draw a vector v vector here and this is w vector, so this is v vector and this is w vector, and if there is angle theta between them and these intersect at point O. So if we will draw a perpendicular from v onto w and suppose this intersect at point P, then the distance between O and P is known as the magnitude of the projection vector and the direction of this OP is along w vector. So hence this direction is known as the vector projection of v on w. So to write the scalar projection, what we will write? We will write it as v dot w divided by w magnitude. So basically in the denominator we have to take the magnitude of that vector on which the projection is taken. So here projection is taken on w vector. So this is the magnitude, and to find the vector projection, on v dot w, so its value is basically equal to d. D means the length of the projection vector. So we can write it as length of projection vector. And if we simply multiply the unit vector along w vector to this magnitude, we will get the vector projection of v on w. So basically we will multiply the unit vector. So unit vector will be w vector divided by w vector magnitude. So here if we will find v dot w, what we have to do? We have to simultaneously multiply the x, y and z coordinates with each other. So 5 multiplied to 2, then minus 1 will be multiplied to 1, and then 6 multiplied to minus 4. So what it will become? If we will calculate, this will become 10 minus 1 minus 24. This will become minus 25. So it will become minus 15. And if we want to calculate the magnitude of w vector, we have to square and add the term and then take the square root. So 2 square plus 1 square, then it will become minus 4 square. So it will become 16, 17 plus 4, 21. And to find the w vector, unit vector of w, what we have to do? We have to divide the vector by magnitude. So it will simply become 2 divided by 21, 1 divided by under root of 21, and then it will become minus 4 divided by under root of 21. Now here we will calculate the actual value of projection. So first of all, the scalar projection will be, so d value will be, if we know the dot product is minus 15 and divided by under root of 21. So this is the scalar projection and we will take the magnitude of this. So basically this is the scalar projection, means the length of the projection vector. Now if we want to find the actual projection vector of v onto w, then what we have to do? We have to multiply this term, means minus 15 by under root of 21 to the this unit vector. So it will become 2 by under root 21, this will become 1 divided by under root 21, and this will become 4 divided by under root 21. Now if we will multiply this root 21, so it will become minus 15 by 21. So if you will cancel out, this will become minus 5 by 7. So it is basically the constant outside. and now we have to multiply it by 2, 1, comma minus 4. So the projection vector will be minus 10 divided by 7, comma minus 5 divided by 7, and it will become 20 divided by 7. So this is the projection vector, and if you will find the magnitude of this, then you will definitely get 15 by root 21. So whichever type of answer is asked in the question, you can mark this. So I hope by this video your concept of projection of vector can be clear. So if you find this video useful, then subscribe, like, subscribe and share this video so that it motivates me to make more conceptual videos like this, and share it with your friends. And if you want to ask any other doubt, then do visit my website or post your doubt in the comment box below. Thank you very much.